After the phone is repaired, it can no longer be used. Either the donkey doesn't leave or the ink doesn't turn. The donkey is gone, the ink is turned, and the rope is broken again. The owner really scared me. The battery is not durable, so I replaced it with a new mobile phone. It must have suffered a loss before. Take this abandoned iPhone today. Get the whole machine ready. I don't know if the original owner saw it. Will you remember the past? Disassembly seems simple. It's not that hard. Under the action of unbottling water, lift the rear glass easily. This iPhone is different from the previous one. It starts from the back. Protect the two rear lenses. The huge f15 comes into view. Smart friends should have guessed. The model of the mobile phone. Lay down the cover screw. Disconnect the battery. Here are two that you really like to watch. Unzip video. The battery glue is pulled at one time and continues to be enjoyable. Internal cleansing, decompression, and healing. Please enjoy it slowly. Solve the battery is not durable. I want to change the window without popping up. Transplanting batteries is a good solution. Keep the protective plate of the original battery. Replace it with a 3670 mAh high velvet cell. Solid welding with farad capacitor spot welding machine. To ensure lower transmission within the group. Because of the original battery protection board, data cannot be changed. Requires charge-discharge cycle calibration data. You can also cycle while installing the machine directly. This one in the video is a second-hand phone. Have time to wait. We ran it on a cycler. 2-day cycle. Next comes the complex installation process. When you need to change the battery or other service, you can contact us. Get the whole machine ready. I don't know if the original owner saw it. Will you remember the past? Thanks for watching.